First notes on meat. I have believed that meat has been a staple for millions of years, and after consulting common sense and reliable professional sources, I would not personally limit meat consumption or replace it with fake meat in the lab. Of course, this does not mean that I generally agree with the current processing standards. Unethical factory farming should be replaced by small-scale farming. Transportation and trips around the world are not acceptable to me. I consider slaughtering halal and kosher absolutely vile. Saturated fats, not harmful to health. Meat is full of saturated fats known for their positive hormonal effects. The only truly harmful fats are industrially produced trans fats, such as fried foods, chips, margarine, croissants, and the like. The fact that saturated fatty acids are generally banned has more to do with the general attack on animal products. Meat is a significant source of protein. The protein in meat is known as the so-called complete protein, as it contains all the essential amino acids that the body needs. Protein is the essential building block of life par excellence and the main component of our muscles. Zinc is an enemy of diabetes. Meat is the #1 source of zinc, which is very healthy for the body. This mineral performs essential functions for the health of our skin, hair, and nails, as well as supporting the immune system and regulating blood sugar. Zinc also helps fight allergies.
Principal apprehensive device fitness. The omega-3 fatty acids in meat are a source of strength for the nervous system and brain power. Omega-3 is especially found in brain tissue, where it acts as a structural and functional component. These fatty acids enhance blood circulation, and thus directly support our cognitive performance.